How many changes have you dealt with in the past year or two at work? Were they technology upgrades, team changes? How about in your personal life? Have you experienced changes in your family? What about demands on your time? None of us are immune to change, and that's true for you, and it's true for all of us working at Tero. Here's a personal story you may be able to relate to. We recently upgraded some IT systems. With the conversion came the promise of increased accuracy, efficiency, and security. The logic was indisputable. It was a no-brainer. What could possibly go wrong? Well, here's what happened. In the first few weeks, I found myself feeling frustrated and incompetent, and I didn't like it. Tasks that I'd been doing effortlessly for years were now taking a lot of time, and mistakes were common. Plus, it wasn't perfect. There were bugs with the technology. I found myself longing for the comfort of the old way of doing things and wishing I delayed the change until I had more time to devote to it. Of course, there's never a good time for the learning curve that accompanies major change efforts. The first of the three major misconceptions people hold about change is that it starts with something new. My own change journey was a poignant reminder of how pervasive this misconception is. The ugly little truth is that change doesn't start with the new. It begins with an ending. It begins with a loss, even with positive changes. As an instructional designer of Tero's Championing Innovation and Leading Change curriculum, I am intimately familiar with the model and the skills. I commented to my colleagues how grateful I was for the training, as it quickly became my go-to set of tools for staying positive and moving forward to a successful implementation as I navigated the discomfort of change. If you're going through change yourself or leading others, check out Tero's Championing Innovation and Leading Change workshop. A small investment of only one day of your time will prepare you with vital knowledge and skills to navigate change. And it doesn't matter if you initiated the change yourself, as I did in the case of the technology upgrade, or if the change happened to you as the result of a leadership decision or life circumstances. It doesn't matter if the change is a good one or a bad one. When you choose to learn these tools, you'll be grateful for your ability to navigate the inevitable speed bumps surrounding change that can knock you and others off balance and off track.